This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a rage. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today. It's a good day today. It's a good day to live.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day, no matter what anyone does or say. I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
Just can't wait to get on the road again. This life I love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. I'm seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. We're the best of friends, insisting that the world keep turning our way. It's our way. Come on.
I want to wish a special welcome to each and every one of you. As you probably already know, you're in one of the most beautiful places on planet Earth, right here in God's country, Bryce Canyon National Park. And tonight, this very moment, you're right here in Ebenezer's Barn and Grill, where some pretty special things happen each night.
I made it all the way to number one way back in 1993. Everybody knew my every word, fell in love with my melody.
City lights out, shine the moon. I was just now thinking of you. Sometimes when the wind blows, you can see the mountains and all the way to Malibu.
Younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads.
It's blazing hot in summer, icy cold in winter. Every night the coyotes howl to a Paiute yellow moon shimmer. Ebenezer was a Scot who had big dreams in his head, but those cathedral mountains took his breath away the day he said, "It's a hell of a place to lose a cow."